When you're drinking to yourself that you've had too much to think, and you try to put it down, but you've had too much to think. You try to be easy, but easy is so hard, and you frantically wonder why easy is so hard. Try to know that it's not you when you're not it. It's just that birds are bad swimmers and fish can't fly for shit. When you forget what you know, but you know what you forgot. You know exactly what to think, but it wasn't what you thought. Yeah, you make a perfect circle, but you should have been a square. You tried so hard to get here, but you should be over there. Try to know that it's not you when you're not it. It's just that birds are bad swimmers and fish can't fly for shit. Swims okay for a bird, but was eaten by a seal who was meant to be a lion, and was eaten by an orca who was meant to be a cow. And you can listen to the reasons if you want to. You can look for ways to make it fit, but your eyes are deaf and your ears can't see for shit. Yeah, 'cause birds are bad swimmers, fish can't fly for shit.